as a recently sent-off digital currency based on Ethereum blockchain. Long money is otherwise called long for conglomeration of yield cultivating. Formally sent off on July 17, 2020, by cronje. Long money is one of the most valuable decentralized finance coins. It is likewise known to be a stage that expands income procured through computerized resources by yield cultivating. Look at this view before we start with definite YFI cost forecast. More well known as the token long, long money has a developing fan following with a goal to boost yearly rate yields and is likewise famous as APY for its esteemed clients, known for holding the acknowledgement for a renowned decentralized project. Long money tokens are used by clients as USDC, USDT, and IDI while executing different exchanges like saving assets, and so on. With the assistance of YFI tokens, clients can procure loaning expenses as well as exchanging charges. Under the umbrella of long, a large number of stablecoins get support VIS, DAI, USC, UST, TUST, and SUSD, and they are additionally moved among numerous upheld DeFi conventions like Compound, OV, DIDX, and BEND, based on which resource pool is offering the best return. Consequently, we can include different exercises of long money, with the most noticeable ones being one of a benefit-changing bank to expand loaning yields, going about as a facilitator for stablecoin exchanges, no capital robotized vendor for OV, and that of making vaults for getting and loaning needs connected with brilliant agreements. The vital classes to pick above classifications are sectioned under Procure, ZAP, APR, and Vaults. It very well may be underlined that long money as a stage goes about as an impetus to advance stablecoins by means of loaning and getting through BEND money, and simultaneously streamlining pool liquidity with computerized resources. Worth focusing on is that the above whole ecospace of DeFi by long is overseen proficiently and really. The YFI token assumes a vital part here. Presently, this computerized coin cost is around $21,565.58 with a market cap of $790,708,582.40. The 24 hours exchanging volume remains at $127,896,725.40 with a coursing supply of 36,638 YFI. Despite the fact that put in an exceptionally unpredictable universe of crypto resources, good factors like tight security conventions and a high-level calculation assume a truly urgent part in impacting speculations as well as long money cost forecasts. The essential target of the YFI group has been to guarantee straightforwardness and simultaneously protection. This multitude of variables comprise speculation counsel by top dealers as well as specialists. The ongoing cost of long money rises to $21,555.80. In view of our expectations, a drawn-out increment is normal. The cost gauge for 2026 is $225,342. With a 5-year venture, the complete worth of income is supposed to be around plus 621.18%, according to our drawn-out cost expectation. The coin could get marginally impacted by bears, however we'll see the bull ride around 2024 and the coin might exchange between the greatest cost of $25,867 and the most minimal cost, $22,299. In view of our information of long money stage and its YFI token demonstrates that the resource cost has been in an upswing for the beyond 1 year. In the impending days, it might keep on showing a rising propensity. The future cost of the resource is anticipated at $108,898.93 following a year as indicated by our expectation framework and monetary administration. The anticipated yearn.finance cost toward the finish of 2022 is $28,666 and the YTD value changes may be around plus 33%. In the principal half of 2023, the long money cost will move to $29,416. In the final part, the cost would close the year at $25,984. Regardless of its reception in the digital money market, long money cost will more often than not face heat till January 2022. Going by cost expectations that bulls might be back, YFI's exchanging cost could ascend marginally higher, say by 2024 $45,321.90, best case scenario. What's more, thus, brokers ought to use sound judgment prior to exchanging or effective money management. YFI cost could triple in 6 years among other virtual monetary standards, say by 2026. It ought to have a reasonable meeting around $46,714 showing the least opposition level. Established as of late in February 2020, long money has had an extraordinary group of committed experts who are specialists in the digital currency market. The previous year demonstrated extraordinarily certain for long money regardless of the impacts of the pandemic. Albeit the coin eased back a piece in the last part of the year gone by, it got an extraordinary push finishing the year 2020 with gigantic addition. From that point forward, there has been no thinking back for long money, as it kept a cost of $29,730 all through, according to the most recent news. The 5 years in length gauge is given underneath that portrays the YFI arrangement of hazard as well as conjecture venture situation for crypto market examination in light of day-to-day graph and market news giving ascent and fall of long money EFI token all-time excessive cost. All said and done, the YFI pattern has been very forceful, prompting an extremely hopeful way. The coin might fill quickly, particularly for unions. New organizations would carry YFI to the spotlight, making it the middle stage for speculations and a socially regarded cryptographic money. In the realm of digital forms of money like YFI, there could be gauges of supernatural occurrences. There could be sorcery in the present moment as well. In view of information refreshes, it wouldn't be a distortion that this evaluated cryptographic money could break every one of the boundaries and endure everyday hardship. It's scaling above past all-time high, with a touch of tolerance and keeping the expectations high in the drawn-out costs. Financial backers can expect a completion time toward the finish of 2025, as the reception of YFI would develop dramatically, by when it would not anymore a gullible contestant in the realm of cryptographic forms of money, however a carefully prepared player. The usefulness of a digital money characterizes its costs, and not its incredible beginning. We should investigate the digital currency cost forecasts by which brokers can pursue a legitimate choice to purchase long money. YFI Value Expectation 2022. Taking into account there are no unexpected shocks or a stony way forward for digital money markets, YFI is good to go to insist areas of strength for its as a significant fascination among its financial backer local area. The street ahead is loaded with pedals gave the financial backer certainty continues blasting, bringing about a significant push to the cost, taking it to cross all boundaries, scaling $28,910.64. YFI Value Forecast 2023. YFI has laid out a quick, dependable organization and works with the client experience of the item. These highlights can assist the YFI with begetting gain a lot more exorbitant cost of $34,766.18 per coin. If the drive for practical crypto go on into 2023, the cost might try and see a worldview rush. YFI Value Expectation 2024. There are many expectations proceeding for the YFI token, particularly keeping in context the mechanical declarations and progress the environment has plans on. There are presumptions that its market cost might reach $35,368.05. The thrilling special endeavors might wrap up, making the financial backers gather the additions. Albeit the digital currency markets are totally flighty, it would maybe take a marvel for YFI to expand its cost by that much in such a short measure of time. YFI Value Expectation 2025. YFI is additionally dynamic in local area drives, taking into account they keep up force collecting a huge market cap. Their drives with an emphasis on schooling, effort, and developments might take them to a considerable degree of $45,829.36. A stunning good faith is likewise anticipated for YFI, principally because